Hello, here's your perception changer for today. So, what is the definition of reality? A lot of people just don't know. Well, here's one that I'd highly recommend. Your reality is determined by your thoughts and actions. Your thoughts and actions are determined by your consciousness. Your consciousness is determined by your presence. And your presence is determined by the quality of your meditations, your ability to become thoughtless, your ability to go to pure spirit, pure void, pure field of all potentials, and hang out there for a while. If you want to change your reality, follow this formula. It works. You just have to spend a little time doing nothing. I am Zalah, and you can find me at thecft.ca. Thanks. God bless.